Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails with ChatGPT. And if your YouTube videos aren't getting clicks, your thumbnails are probably the problem. And in this video, I'll show you how to create eye-catching thumbnails with ChatGPT. So, um, why do thumbnails actually matter? First, we actually have to understand why thumbnails are so important. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see. That is why there are so many clickbaits out there, rage baits, emotion baits, sad baits. Just something that can bait you into clicking. The aim of creating a thumbnail is to create a clickbait, and a clickbait is one of the best ways of improving your views on YouTube or any social media platform. All right, so we've gotten that out of the way, as a good thumbnail can massively increase your click-through rate. Now, generating thumbnails with ChatGPT is possible, but you would also need to understand the ideas behind it. So you're going to need some ideas for your thumbnails, and we are in luck as ChatGPT is one of the best places to get your ideas from, as you can simply generate thumbnail ideas from there. So you could just simply ask ChatGPT to give you 5 YouTube thumbnails ideas for, let's say you want to create content on the iPhone 17. So let let's simply prompt it like this: generate 5 thumbnail videos, or 5 thumbnail ideas for a video on the iPhone 17. All right, so once you've entered this in, just go ahead and hit enter, and it will begin generating your thumbnail ideas. So now ChatGPT offers a lot when it comes into generating content. You're going to be getting some good ideas and some good content. All you need to do is just allow the AI to simply display everything. All right, and once it's done generating, you get to see the concepts, the text on the thumbnails, and why it's going to work for you. So this changes everything: a close-up of the iPhone 17 with glowing edges, a face shocked on the side, and a bright arrow pointing to a new feature that's either a camera or a screen. All right, so we've gotten one of the best ideas so far, and then you could try the 17 versus the 16, a leaked design for the iPhones, and why you shouldn't buy, just the regular clickbaits and how you can make use of them. And then it also provides you bonus tips like keeping text to 3 words at max, and using high contrast colors like yellow, red, white on dark, and adding a face reaction if possible, as it boosts CTR, that's your click through rate, a lot, and makes your phone, and try to make the phone as big as possible. So basically, ChatGPT has given us everything we need to, generate our content. And now all we need to do is take that generated text and design it in Canva. So all you need to do is just go ahead and open up your Canva. Let's see if we can open up Canva on here. So just go ahead and type in Canva and hit enter. Now, once you've typed in Canva, go ahead and click on Canva, the Visual Suite, and it's going to open up on your browser. Now, once it has opened up on your browser, go ahead and click on Home. And then once you've clicked on Home, just simply select Templates. So click on Templates here, and then click on YouTube. You could search for YouTube iPhone thumbnails, as this way we get to use Canva to create the content. Now, most of the time, you're going to find people's work. Basically, that's what thumbnails are. You're going to find people's work, and it should match what you're trying to accomplish. So now we could use a thumbnail like this. This would be really good to use. And then just simply scroll through till you find a thumbnail that works for you. We were meant to use a shocked reaction. So we're going to be going with this changes everything. So head back here, click on the thumbnail you would like to use for your video, and then click on customize this template. Now, once you've clicked on customize this template, it would open up in a new background, and all you need to do is now begin designing. So the text and everything has been entered, and the image as well. So now all you need to do is just reduce the image, add a font to this, and you can keep everything as is. So let's go ahead and begin creating. So we can reduce this a little bit for space on the other side. And now the next thing we need to do is head into elements, and then simply search for an iPhone. So we should be able to find an iPhone And we have an iPhone here, and all you need to do is just simply go through the graphics. You should be able to find something that you can place here. Okay, these look good, but they come in pairs, so you may need to make use of whatever you can. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the 17 Pro, and then I'm going to just cut it from here. So we have just the iPhone here. So we can have something like this: top 10 amazing facts about the iPhone, and just have it, take up this space. And voila, we have created something good. And this way we can simply create something like this. Now, in order to remove these watermarks, you would need the Canva Pro, because these are pro elements, and you're gonna need to pay for them. So the background is a bit distracting, but that is the intention. So you're gonna have to change the text. So let's go ahead and make the text color something like red, or we could make it yellow or black or even white. So just simply get a color that matches what you're trying to do and isn't too distracting. So we can leave the facts in um, yellow here, and we can simply remove these background elements. So that way we can actually have more attention on the iPhone than on the background text. And voila, we have created something good. Now, once you're done, you could just click on remove watermarks, but you would need to purchase the premium. So that besides, just go ahead and click on share, and then click on download. There would be a download here. So go ahead and click on download, and then just go ahead and click on download. And in the file types, you can set it as PNG, which is one of the best if you're using it for YouTube. Just go ahead and click on download once you're done, and you can now upload this to your YouTube account and get your views. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.